We got the 2007 Duramax right here, Lbz. This is what we're going to be working on today. Quick little install. Nothing too there's a whistle. You can hear the turbo whistle in the background. Nothing too crazy. We're going to install some helper bags, some airbags, because right here David tows up to 10,000 pounds, so you know he gets a little sag, but should be good. We're gonna measure it. We're gonna get a tape measure. We're gonna measure the gap we have right here, and then we'll measure it after and see how it helps the airbags. I'll show you the airbags right now once we get them. So right here's where we're gonna put the new helper bags down here. And then on this side, not too bad. Should be good. Good thing is that these 2500s are already higher than usual, so I could fit my big self down here, no problem. This is what we got working with today. Airlift 5,000. Let's see, 5,000 pounds. 5,000 pounds as a helper. This is just up to 5,000 pounds. Load leveling. And it should come with all the parts. Airlines. And I think you can add the remote. This doesn't come with the remote, right?
No.
You gotta add the remote?
Yeah.
Should be too bad. So measure to see where we're at before the bags. We're at about 41, 40 and 3/4. I don't want to step it. Did you have to use any special tools when you did the last set? Was this the same as the last set, or was this cheaper?
No, this was a different set.
The last set was cheaper, or?
The other set was for 1,500. This was rated for 2,500.
Yeah, but don't you think
They're different. The other one mounts to the chassis.
But this helps 5,000 pounds.
Yes.
The trailer's 10,000 pounds.
But my tongue weight is only 1,000 pounds. You get it?
Your tongue weight is only 1,000 pounds.
Yeah. So there's only 1,000 pounds.
So it's only going to help the tongue weight.
The tongue weight.
To
That's
level
all I
you
need
out.
To level me
And
out.
you can actually have more stuff in the back.
Yes.
To bring the numbers up.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me how to do this, bro. I never done this.
Never gonna do it.
Well, was this the last setup different?
The last setup was completely different. So the last setup we had not a double stacked bag. It had a single bag, and it would mount it to, I had to do a little bit of drilling. This one is supposed to be a straight bolt on. Yeah. Full on hardware.
Wait, but is this already extended all the way?
Yeah, that's how airbags are.
No, your other airbag was
Thin. It would compress because it was thinner. That's why it was only 2,500 pounds rated.
okay.
This is
So that makes sense.
5,000 pounds. So this is similar design as the what you put on big rigs on their cab to kind of.
And the cabs don't lift up until the truck is on.
Yeah.
And the compressor turns on.
Exactly. So they can. Now I went ahead and got this set off of Amazon, which was cheaper for the simple fact that it doesn't have an internal bump stop on this bag.
Would an internal bump stop help you?
The new model has.
Do we have to take off the top bump spots that you have up here?
Yes, that needs to come down, and this is a direct bolt onto that.
Okay. So right here is where we would remove the old pump stop.
Mm-hmm.
And put this new bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Right above.
Correct.
Let's put this back down.
Hold on. Gotta put.
You have Teflon tape?
It has already on there.
Oh, it has some on there?
Yeah. We gotta put this bracket on first. And it sits in like this, right? So depending on what side the bag's gonna be on, so this is gonna be on the right hand side, we gotta go here, and then on the left hand side we gotta go here, right? So, yeah,
Slot A and B.
right. Slot A and B.
You want to do? We're gonna do this side first.
Yeah. But I'm gonna put this on first, but it says on the elbow you have to go all the way down where it's tight, and then you do only 1 1/4 turn or something like that.
What size is it? Do you need to ratchet?
Mm-hmm. See, so that's already finger tight.
Half turn.
1.5 turns.
1.5 turn. So you need.
Okay, so it's finger tight. Now I'm gonna have to go 1.5.
There's no one in here.
I have no wrenches in here. Let me get them.
What's up? Oh yeah, that game is tonight.
See?
What time is that game? Let's go here.
Yeah. You put those bolts. These bolts go through here to here, and they lock in place. Like a 11. Alright, so I'm gonna do one, right? That's one.
And then a half turn. There you go. Half turn. And then you can move. The thing is that it swivels.
Yeah, and then you're gonna.
If not, that would mess you up.
Run the airline sideways. Stuff residue off. Let me have the other bag. Let's tie these both up at the same time. We'll leave them both ready.
This is the only thing that it came with?
This is the only thing you need to actually.
Okay, so we got the top bracket on. we had to pre-install these bolts so that when we put them, when we install and get it ready, and put this part on the bottom of the differential, it'll tighten. You got it?
Nope.
There you go.
Through.
Now you got it.
This one I don't think came through. Nope.
You just gotta wiggle it.
No, it's a little bit more than just a wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Nope. The screw fell down while I was tightening it. And it, just giving you an example of why you should do it before. Hold it.
Ah! Hold on, let me put the camera down.
Ooh, that was almost a knuckle buster. Ooh. There you go. It just needed a little bit.
Okay. Now that we got some light down here, we'll remove this bump stop first. Okay. Okay. Got the bag in place with a little bit of a heave ho and ugga-duggas. Now time to put hardware on. Once the hardware's on, we'll double check it. Okay, so we already installed this bag, but we took it back off because we had an issue.
We installed it this way with the nozzle facing that way, which made no sense. It didn't fit right. So then now we took it off, we twisted, right?
We twisted the bracket, not the airbag. The bracket was removed.
The bracket. Now we have the arrow, the nozzle facing back towards the back, because that's where we want our lines to go. Now we're gonna have less bracket onto the outside of the tire, more towards the inside of the chassis, which is going to give us more clearance between our leaf springs. And then we also had to turn this bracket because in doing so it was backwards. So now it should fit right in.
Right. Okay, this is about 2 days later. Show you the finished product. We'll put our air valves right here, the little nipples to put air inside the airbags. We are sitting about a full inch higher on here. I don't have a tape measure, but it's a full inch higher. That night we measured everything, but let's see if we can get a good view of the airbags right there. Right now they got about 20 psi. We ran the airline right under. Let's see if I can get a good shot of the airline. Airline right under, zip tied inside, all the way to the back. Same thing on the other side. You got the airline right there. Got the heat shield installed. We didn't have no issues installing these airbags other than just adjustment. We set them up once, put air, took air out, readjusted them to get enough clearance between the airbag and the leaf spring. Other than that, it's good. Put a couple big girls back here and we straight. We're gonna get another video going, but that wraps it up for this one. Hopefully you guys were able to see how we installed them, if I did enough explanation, and then we'll do some more videos like this, and step by step. Got the clear lens on this one, blacked out bow tie. Again, 2007 with airbags, and that's about it.